Hi fellow greasy garage dwellers, I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to build a tool cart. I'm doing a video where I'm not working on the bike right now. I'm taking a little break. That don't mean after I'm done making this I won't make more bike video, but we're doing a different one today. I have this Harbor Freight mechanics tool. It's a little tippy. It's not particularly comfortable. So I was thinking today, man, I wish I had a little tool cart to roll my tools around. I won't be laying them on the floor. I don't want to buy a tool cart. I already bought this thing. I'm a little bit of a pack rat. I hang on to everything. This came out of my house kitchen. Big old drawer. I think I'm gonna make a tool carrier. I usually prefer a screwdriver, but today we're going for quick and dirty. See if old Milwaukee can knock this out. Don't get me wrong, this stool is not terrible. I have put my keister on worse things for sure, but it is not great either. So I'm going to take the pad off in case I want to change it back to a garage stool. I think I'm going to set it like this. I hope it will be stable enough. I still want to be able to put stuff down here too, in this little section. I'm going to set this back on here, mark the backs with these posts, and then I can figure out where I want to put my templates to drill a hole to bolt this thing on. About there. From the back of my post to the edge of that rail is just at 2 inches. I've got my mark back here. I'm going to come 2 more inches. Measure that off the back of the drawer. 11 and 5/16. That's what the little bitty marks are. I knew if I kept these drawers long enough that I would, I'd find a use for them. I need a square. First use for this bad boy, 11 inches of work. Those 2 lines are about 3 inches apart, or those holes, rather. That's way too big. It'll work perfect. See if I have any nuts that'll fit these. Looky there. See if it works. It rolls with tools. We're most of the way there. Now to biker this thing up, I've got a plan. Got some old chain laying around, and I want to make a handle. There you have it. Scrounge this little bit of hardware out too. That'll work. So check this out. What do you think, huh? It rolls. Got a handle. Cargo space. I don't have a seat anymore, but you'll have that. Maybe I can keep my tools off the floor now. Alright, folks, for the low price of no dollars today, I took something I didn't really use much, the Harbor Freight roll-around seat, and an old drawer I had, a piece of chain, miscellaneous hardwares. Now I got a little tool cart that can roll around with me. I won't have to chase it all the time. I'm pretty tickled with that. Thought about painting it, changed my mind. I might change my mind again later and decided to paint it up. But anyhow, thanks for joining me. Hope maybe I gave you a little idea on something you can do with some junk in your house or garage and make it useful again.